okay. I'm about to take my first look inside. Yeah. So I get a little emotional or what have you. I guess you'll understand. Oh. Yeah, it's pretty much a disaster. Looks like I have some of my flags, including a Peruvian flag I brought back from Peru. Everything that's in here is blown all over the place. A lot of stuff from the kitchen is in here too. Ooh, there's my retired guide stick that's broken already. It's kind of memento. Kind of wish I had the one I want there. See if I safely move around a little. Looks like there's a big old sand dune inside the house. Yeah, it's going to be challenging to get anything out of here. I can't even find my cook stove at this moment. It could be under all this sand, though, for all I know. There is my desk, though. That's kind of crazy. It's still here. Ooh. I think there's something in here from my bedroom. Wow. Well, this is a memory from one of my grandpas. That was in a different room, but at least it's here. Really appreciate you guys helping me get in here.
We're here for you, man.
Going to be a mess, but
yeah.
At least I start seeing it. I'm kind of guessing that the cook stove might be under all the sand in this chaos. Yeah. If all this wood stuff didn't float away, I can't imagine how it got out. Ooh, there's my brother's cool little table organizing. I use this TV stand from Fort Bragg. Ooh, God, that must have been 30 years ago. Oh, wow, that means he must be about to retire. Anyway, it's kind of devastating, but it's better to know not to know. My bed looks almost like I left it. Okay, tilted around. Some of my grandma's really old furniture is still here, which is amazing. The mirror isn't broken. Maybe I'll salvage some of it. I don't know. We'll see what happens as we go through all this.